A study in the University of Cambridge affirms that the brain scans that claim to be able to determine whether a criminal is guilty of a crime can be fooled, new research revealed. The study has shown that the people can intentionally suppress incriminating memories that thereby about detection in the brain activity while detection tests. Such tests, which are commercially available in the United States, are used by law enforcement agencies in several countries, including Japan and India, are based on the logic that criminals will have specific memories of their crime stored in the brain. When present these remains of the crime, it was previously assumed that the brain would automatically and uncontrollably recognize the details. However, research has shown that some people can intentionally and voluntarily suppress unwanted memory. Dr. Sarah Bergman's lecture at the University of Kent says brain activity while detection tests are promoted as accurate and reliable measures for establishing criminal culpability. Our research has shown that this assumption is not always justified. Using these types of the test to say that someone is innocent of a crime is not valid because it could just be a case of that suppressed as managed to hide their crime memory.